All right, I'm pretty sure you would have to be on the rock if you're a boxing fan, and especially that listen to this channel and has not heard about Tank Davis' so-called assault on his baby mother. Now, we've already done several videos about it, giving our perspective on we thought what happened. Well, it's no need to give any type of perspective anymore or guesswork. Tank Davis's mother, baby mother, excuse me, has actually come out and spoke on what happened, and this is what she had to say. These past days have been hurtful and extremely exhausting for all parties involved. I pride myself on being extremely private. This situation was the last thing I wanted to be made public. The state of our relationship has been in a fragile space, and Gervonta and I were both at fault for the argument. While the emotions were running high, I made an unnecessary call to law enforcement in an intense moment while I was frantic. Gervonta did not harm me or our daughter. Today, we have sought the help necessary to move forward with our lives. I am confident that we will succeed with our co-parenting dynamic with the counseling provided to us. Now, for some, that won't be sufficient. Some people will say, you know, she's lying now to save him because, you know, she realizes now that she dropped the bag, and if he goes to jail now, she's screwing up his money, etc. Said no. Like I said, do the math. Go back, look at the other videos. I broke this stuff down pretty good, but I'll run through it real quick. Look at how much he paid to get out. His bail was extremely low, $1,000. He didn't need no bail bondsman for that. He didn't need no 10%. You know what 10% of $1,000 is? $100. He didn't need no bail bondsman. Then, okay, what else? Look at what he was charged. He was charged with a misdemeanor assault. Not assault, misdemeanor. No, I'm sorry, not even assault, misdemeanor battery. No, let it go, people. We were wrong. For any of us that jumped out the window initially, we were wrong. She was upset. She got mad. She did what a lot of black women will do. I've had it done to me. Know a ton of black men that has had it done to them, where a woman will get mad at you, and because she can't whoop your tail, she'll call the cops on you. And whatever happens when they get there just happens, which is completely messed up, but it is what it is. My advice to Tank is, hey man, I know you love your baby mother. Tell her to go get some help. Now maybe you need some too. Definitely get some counseling going on in your house. But if that's the type of antics she's going to be pulling, you need to get on away from her. And that's just what it is. That's women doing stuff like that is just as bad as a man beating on a woman, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. This Head Busting Box is on. Fight Doctor, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Are you finally convinced that Tank Davis did not deserve to go to jail? He did not assault this woman, etc., etc. Or do you believe that she's trying to cover it up because if she mess up the bag, she's hurting herself in the long run? Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think. This Head Busting Boxes on Fight Doctor. I am out.